The Bharatiya Janata Party on Monday celebrated the completion of 12 years of the NDA government at the centre under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, describing the period as a transformative journey of good governance, development and national resurgence. To mark the milestone, the government announced a nationwide outreach campaign termed as 22 Major Achievements across diverse sectors. A day after resigning from the Biju Janata Dal and stepping down from the Rajya Sabha, senior politician Debashish Samantrai joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in New Delhi on Tuesday. Samantrai was inducted into the BJP in the presence of Odisha BJP President Manmohan Samal. Senior BJP leader Arun Singh and Odisha BJP in charge Vijay Pal Singh Tomar were also present during the induction program. Gas distributor Indraprastha Gas Limited on Tuesday announced a fresh increase in compressed natural gas prices, marking the fourth hike in less than 2 weeks. CNG prices in Delhi have been hiked by Rs 2 per kg. Following the latest revision by IGL, CNG in Delhi will now cost Rs 83.09 per kg, up from 81.09 per kg. However, prices were revised upward across the National Capital Region. Cuttack District Court has acquitted Abdur Rahman, who was arrested in December 2015 from Paschim Kachar, Salipur due to lack of evidence. He was arrested on suspicion of being linked to terror groups Al-Qaeda in the Indian subcontinent and Indian Mujahideen. The Delhi police, with support from Odisha police, has arrested him, alleging that he was involved in anti-national activities and recruiting youth into extremist organizations. Odisha witnessed heightened tensions as two separate incidents of alleged police misconduct sparked widespread protests in Cuttack and Dhenkanal districts. In Barang area, villagers from Chandi Prasad staged a fresh protest outside Barang police station, accusing officers of subjecting local youth Rakesh Behra to third-degree torture. The Indian Army's four-legged warriors stole the spotlight during Exercise Pragati 2026, a multinational military exercise held at Umroi Military Station in Meghalaya. Amid high-intensity tactical drills and joint training with armed forces from 12 friendly nations, the Army's K-9 teams demonstrated their unmatched versatility and operational relevance. India pacer Arshdeep Singh sent social media into overdrive after dramatically cleaning up his Instagram account, deleting approximately 200 posts and reels, leaving his profile with just 44 posts, which are mostly advertisements and paid partnership posts. This sudden digital reset saw Arshdeep's profile shrink to barely over 40 posts, with several viral uploads disappearing overnight, including his widely shared reel with Virat Kohli from India's Champions Trophy 2025 celebrations.